Is there a risk of damaging the control board by jumping the wrong terminals when testing a thermostat? And how can you do this safely to avoid shorts and component failure? When testing a thermostat by jumping terminals, first turn off power at the furnace or air handler to avoid accidental shorts. Then verify the system is low voltage control only, typically 24 volts alternating current from the transformer, before applying any jumper. Use insulated jumper wires with snug alligator clips or a purpose-built thermostat jumper. Connect exactly as directed, red to green to test the fan, red to yellow to call for cooling, and red to white to call for heat, holding each connection only long enough to confirm operation. Never jump anything to common or any terminal labeled common or to any screw carrying 120 volt alternating current, as doing so can short the low voltage transformer to high voltage and immediately damage the control board or blow fuses. If the system has a 5-wire thermostat cable, identify wires by color but confirm with a meter because colors are not guaranteed. If you encounter more than 5 wires or unfamiliar labels, such as 2-stage heating or cooling, stop and consult the equipment manual or a technician. After testing, remove jumpers, restore power, and check that the thermostat and system return to normal operation. If any breakers, fuses, or the 120 volt disconnect tripped, do not reapply power until the cause is found. 3 common mistakes are jumping to the common terminal or any 120 volt circuit, which shorts different voltage systems and can permanently damage the control board. Solution: never use the common or line voltage terminals for low voltage jump tests and confirm voltages with a multimeter first. Second, using metal tools or uninsulated wires that create unintended contact with nearby terminals or chassis ground, which can bridge circuits and cause catastrophic failure. Solution: use insulated jumper leads or alligator clips and work with one hand when possible to reduce accidental contact. Third, assuming wire color equals function without verification, which can lead to connecting the wrong circuits and sending power where it should not go. Solution: trace wires to their termination, read the furnace wiring diagram, or measure voltage between the red lead and each control terminal before jumping. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors, offering project matching and verified reviews to help select qualified professionals for heating and cooling work. Contractors can list services, receive leads, and build trusted local profiles to grow their businesses.